Let's take a look at finding the mean or expected value of a discrete population probability distribution using Google Sheets. Now, let's say we're studying families that have 3 children, and we're looking at the probability or percent of the number that had 0 girls, 1 girl, 2 girls, or all of them were girls. And these were where our percents came up. Okay, first thing, I'm going to need to put my x values in a column. This is 0, 1, 2, and 3. I want my p of x in its own separate column, and I want these to be decimals. So 0.205, 0.3, 0.107, and 0.341. This formula assumes they're in decimal form. Okay, so now our formula looks like this. This E-looking thing, that's uppercase sigma, that means add them together. But this x next to the p of x means multiply. So we're going to take x times p of x. Now how we do that is we come down to cell C2, I do an equals, and you could click A2 if you wanted, and it fills it in, times, and you could click B2. The equals tells us a formula, and the asterisk means we're going to multiply. So we take 0 times 0.205. Now if I press enter, it goes ahead and multiplies those. But now that I have my first one, I can click in cell C2, put my mouse in the bottom right hand corner, and click and with my left mouse button, hold down and drag to fill it down to these next ones. And that'll add those together. Or I mean, those will multiply those together, sorry. So now our mean is just adding this column. So come up here to my functions, choose the sum, and I'm going to click with my left mouse button at C2 and hold down and drag to C5. Or I could simply type in C2 colon C5. I have to have the equals sum on there. And then press enter. So my answer would be 1.537. So given this kind of distribution, I would expect that the number of girls I would have, if I had 3 children, would be 1.537. And of course, that's an average, so that's the way it comes out with decimals. Obviously, you can't have part of a child as like 1.537. And that's how you find the mean of a probability discrete population probability distribution in Google Sheets.